Hello everyone, my name is Bikram and today I am going to show you step-by-step download and register process of Zoom application from Play Store to your mobile phone. First of all, go to Play Store on your mobile. Then search here Zoom, ZOOM. Then you will find Zoom Cloud Meetings. Then click here. On my phone I have already installed it, that's why it's showing uninstall and open, but in your case it will show you install. Then click on install and then wait for the complete of the installation process. After installation, find that app on your phone. Then it will show you sign up, join meeting and sign in. Then you will click here sign in. Then it will ask you email ID, password and also some options SSO, Google, Facebook. Then you will click here on Google. Then it will take some seconds and will show you the email ID, and then choose your email ID which you want to register. Create account. If it asks you to provide password, then provide a password for that your email ID, and if it's not asking you, then leave it. Then click on create account. And that's it, we have successfully registered into Zoom app. This is the dashboard of Zoom app. You can see many options are here: new meeting, join, schedule, share screen, meet and chat, meetings, contact settings. So you don't need to do anything. When you are going to join a meeting, then you don't need to do anything, because the host who is going to arrange a meeting, he will provide you a Zoom meeting link with his meeting ID, and you just have to click on that link. Then it will automatically connect you to that meeting. And if it asks you to enter a password, then the host will provide you the password, and you just have to enter the password and you will automatically connect to that meeting. So if you like the video, then don't forget and share and subscribe my channel LearnFlex.